Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight.
All right. This is what we're working with. It has literally been 4 months since I have had my hair done, retwisted, anything. So anybody who's new to my channel, this is my second set of instant locks, and this will be my first time getting a retwist and a maintenance since I started my second set of instant locks. I got my instant locks done back in October of 2021, and today, I don't know exactly what today is, but it's March, and yeah, we're gonna be getting our hair done today, and this is what we're working with. My roots are literally so thick, so full. This is the longest that I've gone without a retwist, and my locks are literally sticking together. Like, do you see this? First of all, I have little baby locks, so of course there's a lot of frizz, and I'm going through the budding stage and everything. All right, and this is my sister's hair. I will link all of her information down below, but we both have the exact same situation as far as our instant locks. We both got our first set of instant locks together, and we got our second set of instant locks together probably about a week apart. Our hair was completely combed out. We didn't cut our hair or anything. I'll leave all of the videos down below in the description box of the process of our instant locks and us getting our hair completely combed out to start over. But yeah, this will be our very first retwist since we got our instant locks, and as you can see, our locks are going through the stage of trying to thicken and bud. But yeah, me and her have similar instant locks as far as the actual size, but she has a lot more locks in her head because her hair is thicker. And yeah, our locks look very similar. She just has more in her head. That's something that can happen if you look at someone that you want your hair to look like for like lock inspiration. Just know that your locks will not look like theirs because of their texture, thickness, density. It's a lot of things to think about. Hey, it's Pristiny. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, you have just entered the Princess Core realm of hair, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, Japanese, girly, and pink aesthetic. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a collab with my sister, Sha-Deana Z, and we are doing a lock transformation video. We'll be getting our locks retwisted because we need it redone really bad. Look at this look. Yeah, it's been like 4 months since we had a retwist, and it's about to be a big transformation. I'm ready to see all my length because look at this shrinkage we got. Really bad. We got a mini fro going on up under here, little fro locks, but mine look bad. That's why I got it pulled up like this. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll link all of her information down below. Make sure you follow her on all of her social medias, subscribe to her channel, and watch all of her videos as well.
Y'all don't mind the lint on my shirt. It's from my hair. Like, it's not even lint. It's dandruff, but flakes, bruh. Now why she gonna embarrass me like that? But anyways, it ain't my fault. It's just, they just dry. They a little crispy too. They fresh out the grease.
Fresh fries. Okay, y'all don't want to see what my hair look like if I snatch this ponytail off because they all sticking straight up, deformed, looking all which kind of ways. But
Yes, y'all, like, it's so stiff. Oh my God, my hair,
it don't move.
Y'all. Okay, so she just did a deep mask with peppermint and her pores are all open. She rinsed it out with cold water and look. She don't know how to act. Oh my God, it's like when you first, man, let me tell y'all. This feel like it's winter time and you go jump in the pool. Look.
Alright, starting off with my sister's hair, going through, giving her some nice clean parts. Her hair is freshly washed, and since we do have instant locks, Allie is going to go through with the crochet needle and jab or kind of stab some of the locks that we have to make them tighter again, because you can have a little bit of untightening with instant locks, and this is our maintenance. So as you can see in this clip, she's going through with the crochet needle the same way she made our instant locks. So my sister is all done with her wash, retwist, and styling, and these are the results. All you can see is scalp. Yes, I love the scalp. Her grid pattern is literally perfect. This is what her grid pattern looks like, and this is why we decided to get our instant locks combed out and get a second set of instant locks, because we wanted a smaller grid pattern, therefore we would have more locks in our head. And the size of your grid pattern blocks does determine how your locks will look eventually in the long run. So smaller blocks or a smaller grid pattern means more locks.
All right, it's the moment of truth.
Alright, and now it's my turn. I'm getting my hair washed. She's just going to go through with shampoo and conditioner. Then she's going to do a deep treatment mask on my hair, and I'm going to sit under the steamer. She did the same exact process for my sister, but I just didn't show that part. So literally, do you see how much new growth that I have? My hair has grown so much. This is my second set of instant locks, and this is my first retwist since I got my instant locks. And this video was filmed back in March, but at this time my hair was around 4 months freshly with instant locks, and this is kind of like a texture shot. With instant locks, your hair still has to go through the frizzing and budding process, so that's why my locks look a little frizzy. They don't look really mature because they aren't. So yeah, my locks are literally just blending in with my new growth, and it looks like I have loose natural hair, but in reality, see, texture shots, I have around like 4A tightly coily springy curls. But yep, this is the steam treatment that's going on, and my locks don't even look like locks right now because they are baby locks or starter instant locks. But yeah, this is the process. The peppermint treatment felt so good. So this is a close-up texture shot of my instant locks. My loose natural hair texture is 4A, but you can't really tell because my hair is locked now. But my instant locks, they are going through that frizzy stage, but it's the beauty in the process of getting locks.
All right, y'all, so as you can see, my sister just got her hair washed. Turn around, sis, show it. Oh girl, you splashing water, but yeah, y'all see it? You can't see no scalp. This is just her before, right? All right, and y'all, this is my after. As you can see, I'm all done. Look at this scalp. It's the scalp. Like, y'all, it's really giving. You see that? Oh, my locks are so soft, y'all. My parts are just amazing. Really soft. Yes, like they look so good. I'm so in love, and we're gonna be back on this camera when she come back with her style, because yeah, y'all really about to see.
And this is a clip of me excited and shocked at how much my hair has literally grown in 4 months. If y'all would see a clip of how my hair looked 4 months ago when I first got this second set of instant locks, you would literally be shocked about how much locks just progress and grow and flourish within a few months right before your eyes. My locks were literally probably up to about my ears. Yes, like my ears, my eyebrows, and they were probably about 2 to 3, maybe even 4 sizes skinnier. Like my locks were so small and so skinny when I first got them, but that's something that you do want to consider doing. So when you get your locks, you always want to start about 2 to 3 sizes smaller than what you want your locks to eventually be, because if you start out with the exact same lock size that you want them to be, probably about maybe 4 to 6 months later, they're going to be 2 to 3 sizes thicker. And that was my issue with my first set of instant locks. They were just too chunky for me. But yeah, as you can see with this set of instant locks, look at this grid. I'm loving this grid. I had about 50, well, I did have 51 locks, exactly 51 locks. And now I have exactly 120 locks in my head. And that's because of this amazing grid pattern. This is my grid pattern. It's a lot smaller. I got double the amount of locks. Literally exactly what I asked for, and I'm so excited to see my locks grow and progress. But my hair grows super fast. Like, look at the top of my head right now. It literally looks like a bush. My retwist will grow out in probably like a month and a half after me getting a first retwist. But it just depends on you and your personal hair growth, you know, how it grows. Everybody gets their not their instant locks, everybody gets their locks retwisted depending on their personal preference and their hair growth. So that's just something to consider once you know, get your locks, or if you're considering getting locks. But I typically go between probably like every 2 to 3 months. This was 4 months. Absolutely no more will I go 4 months. 3 months is my max. 2 to 3 months. But yes, like I mentioned, this video was filmed March 8th, 2022. We're currently in November of 2022. This is just super old footage. All right, I'm sitting on the dryer. Hair is all done. Look at this grid though. If y'all can see. Queen. Her hair's so cute. Oh my god.
Y'all, we look so cute. Our hair, oh my god, she looked
I like my little pigtails though. I wanted to get a style. This is the final results of our retwist, and it's crazy watching this video because this was filmed back in March of this year, and both of our hair is like completely thicker and longer from this video, and it's crazy looking at my hair now. Alright, so this is going to be it for this video. I hope that you've enjoyed. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And look out for any upcoming videos, possibly any pink girly hauls, lock videos, fashion, and beauty content. Alright, I'll see you in my next one.